Alright, we got the package. Now let's open it. Yes, here we go. Come on, open, please. Thank you. Alright, let's see. Oh, look here. A Hochiki smoke. Really cool. Definitely really cool. With the base. Yes, of course. Yes. Alright, next thing. We have another Hochiki smoke. Really cool. Thanks to Sirens of Sweden for sending this to me. Really appreciate it. Now let's take this here. This is fire alarm cable. I personally think this is really cool fire alarm cable. I just don't know why, but it's just really cool. Yeah. Here we have another thing. It should be a heat detector. Yes, it's a heat detector from Esme. Here we have the inside if you wondered. We have another one. Yes, also really cool. Same thing. This one is though from Multisignal AB. This is not from Esme but from another company. And this right here should be, oh yes, this is a LED light that shows if a smoke detector is activated on places you can't see the smoke detector. I'll say it again, a really big shout out to Sirens of Sweden. His username is right here in the screen right now and also in the description. So please go and follow him. He also has some fire alarm stuff, so if you're interested, go check that out as well. But I'm really thankful for what he sent me. So probably for this video, I'll see you all in the next video, which pretty much also will be an unboxing video, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, thanks to Sirens of Sweden, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. I also got something else that I didn't show in the video because it was so small. Here you have a picture of it. Yeah, I know it's a picture, it's not a video, but it's just 2 KC keys, that's basically everything. But yeah, those fill out the box when I was unboxing, so now you know I have that too. Oh my god, that was so trash, my voiceover. Alright, now let's roll my really stupid outro. I have actually like never rolled my outro, but now let's do it. Oh my god, that was so trash. Nah man, that outro was so trash. I'll just do it like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video. But before you go, really big shout out to Sirens of Sweden for sending me all this stuff. Please go subscribe to him. But with that said, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.